Joanna from Creality.
Hi, Joanna.
Hello,
Welcome.
how are you?
Please. Thank you for the gift.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I have two rooms in my office. Here is my 3D printing office. I have lots of 3D printers, mostly from Creality, and I have some paints in here, a 3D scanner in here.
Can you introduce yourself, like when you start 3D printing?
I started probably 10 years ago.
It's a very long time.
For 3D printing technology. For 10 years, I use 3D printers as hobby and to earn money, support of my job. I have a company about designing PCB and software development. When I design a PCB, I need usually a box. I need to put all of the electronic things in a box. So I design some box and put all together. And give customers with 3D printing. So 3D printing is one of the most important things in my life, as fun and as job.
Oh, that's very good. And then what you think about the brand of Creality, the 3D printers brand?
I use Creality's lots of products, not only 3D printers. For example, I use 3D scanner. Ferret.
Yeah.
And
you use it to scan
real objects. Sometimes I can't measure something or there are lots of details of it. So I can't measure and redesign. So I 3D scan this object and print it. Sometimes I don't print, but I need the measurement of something. For example, I design myself with Ferret. It's very realistic. And I put it on a Roman emperor statue. So I printed with CR M4 because it's very big. As a company, I love Creality very much because I love Creality's machines, 3D printers, and as well the Creality print slicer also. And the most thing I love about Creality is community. I can find everything. For example, this is world's most advanced Ender 3 version 2. I can find lots of things about how I can upgrade this. And people sell these parts for upgrading. For example, there is no touch screen in original Ender 3 version 2. I buy a touch screen and put it on this one. I can't find any other brands like Creality because you sell lots of products and people want to make better prints, so I can find lots of things about Creality products.
Wow.
So thank you.
Thank you. So there are a lot of type of 3D printer, which different purpose, right?
Yeah.
Can you introduce?
Yeah, if I need very fast, I use K1 and CR10. It's very new for me because I am shooting a video about it, but it's very similar to K1. I love it. If I need very fast prints, I use K1 and this one. But sometimes I don't need very fast, but lots of pieces. For example, a small pieces part, and I need 200 of them. I use CR M4 because it's a huge volume printer, so I can print one by one or print all together. And the other day when I come to office, every part is finished. So I have 200 of them. So I love it. Its dimensions and it's very stable, very hard, very
strong.
Yes. So I use Creality Sonic Pad for my Ender 5 S1. I love its compactness because I can add webcam to it and I can control 4 printers with this. For example, I can use it with Ender 3 also at the same time. At the same time, I can use with Ender 3 version 2 also. So sometimes its speed and its bigger volume is not enough for me. Sometimes I need mass production. I use all together. But at this time, I need to see which machine is finished or which machine has problems like filament shortage. So I am watching them, remotely with smart cameras, and I made a home automation systems like this one. I can remotely turn off the printers and turn on again, and I can control them even if they don't have Wi-Fi connection. It's like a small smart printing farm, but I don't sell printed parts directly. I use for
Work.
my work or my hobbies.
No, that's very good. Thanks for your sharing.
Thank you for coming to my office and producing this quality type printers with us.
Thank you.